First, to start using Angular CDK's virtual scrolling in your application, you need to import the scrolling module. This module provides the necessary directives and services to enable virtual scrolling. After importing the scrolling module, you need to include it in the imports array of your Angular module. This will make it available throughout the module, allowing you to use virtual scrolling in any component within this module. In your components template, add the CDK virtual scroll viewport directive and set the item size attribute to define the height of each item. Inside this viewport, use the *CDK virtual for directive, similar to *NGFOR, to iterate over your items array. The virtual scroll will only render the items currently within view, making it efficient for rendering large lists. In the component class, you will define the items array that you want to render virtually. Here, we're creating an array with 10,000 items dynamically. The virtual scrolling will take care of efficiently rendering only the viewable items to the DOM. Virtual scrolling also provides ways to control the scroll position programmatically. By injecting CDK virtual scroll viewport in your components constructor, you obtain a reference to the viewport. You can then use methods like scroll to index to programmatically scroll to a specific item.